Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Recently, Anker released a 3-in-1 wireless charger for Apple users. It's so compact, like a normal square charger, but can wirelessly charge 3 devices at once without any cables. It adopts Apple's official wireless charging module and is now sold on Apple's official website. Today, let's introduce this elegant charging cube to you. Except for the charging cube itself, it also contains a dual USB-C cable, which is 1.5 meters and only supports up to 3 amp. The 30 watts USB-C charger inside the box is also from Anker and adopts foldable input prongs. The first impression when we got this cube is small and exquisite. It is hard to imagine that it integrates 3 different charging modules. You can easily put it into a handbag and take it anywhere. We found the size is only 60 by 60 by 63 mm, and the weight is about 407 grams. The outer case feels smooth and can resist fingerprints. You can put your iPhone on the top to be charged instantly. A circle of small bumps can increase friction and prevent the phone from falling off. The wireless charging panel for your Apple Watch is hidden on the side and supports fast charging for compatible models. Just to press the button slightly and it'll pop out. The charging area of your AirPods is under the top panel for iPhone. You can adjust its angle up or down to get the best viewing experience, and the adjustment range can be up to 60 degrees. The LED indicator and input USB-C port are on the back. After connecting to the power supply, it'll light up in white. But it's always on only when the AirPods is charging. All specs info are printed at the button. Model is Y1811. The lowest input power is 30 watts. You can also use other chargers beyond 30 watts to charge it. As for the output power, the iPhone can be up to 15 watts, while the Apple Watch and AirPods only reach 5 watts. Since part of the energy will be converted into heat when wireless charging your devices, the output power will be less than the input power. When we bring the phone close to the charging area, it will automatically attract it to the charging panel. You can place it vertically or horizontally, which is very suitable for the standby mode of iOS 17. The peak power of the input power can reach 17 to 18 watts when charging iPhone. Excluding the power consumed in the conversion, this is an ideal speed for MagSafe charging. The charging power of AirPods and Apple Watch is about 2 to 3 watts, and due to the limited heat dissipation area, the fluctuation is obvious. The total power for 3 devices is just 20 watts. Next, let's try to test how long it will take to fully charge the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here is the charging curve made by the PC software of KM003C. The voltage is maintained at 12 volts. It maintains at peak power of 14 watts from 0 to 1 hour and 33 minutes. Then it gradually drops to 12 watts. After 2 hours and 11 minutes, the power continues to decrease to almost 0. While the final part lasts almost 2 hours, the total charging time is about 4 hours and 27 minutes. From this chart, we can check the charging speed more intuitively. It's very fast at the beginning, but then gradually slows down after 80%. The charging time for the first 80% and the last 20% is almost the same. This is noticeably slower than while charging. When testing the full charging curve, we put this cube into a 25 degrees Celsius thermal tank and got its surface temperature after 30 minutes. The highest temperature of this cube is 36.6 degrees Celsius, which is lower than your body temperature. And hottest part is the circle of the charging coil. Well, the most attractive selling point of this charging cube from Anker is its design. 3 official charging modules stacked into a cube can keep your desktop neat and easy to carry around. Unlike most 3-in-1 MagSafe chargers, it adopts USB-C input port instead of a DC port. You can even use your power bank to power this cube. Okay, that's all for today's video. We may consider taking it apart once we got enough comments and likes. And don't forget to subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!